Hey guys, today I present you once again this SMC Park Avenue 2 model DC-52 in antique brass, and this time I had something different, put on the schoolhouse light and also a dowel rod. Mounting bracket's not original. I didn't really feel like using the original mounting bracket. I just wanted to use something different, but I have it up for testing. Somehow the pull chain switch is jammed, or can't really pull. Every time I pull it, the light doesn't feel like going on. But I'm just gonna leave it as it is for right now until I decide I want to change it. But anyway, I'm gonna show you the demonstration. And there's your light. I don't know if I can turn it off, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's good enough. So we'll go ahead and start it on low. Okay. And here's medium. Alright. And here's high. And it does wobble. That's because I'm using a different mounting bracket. And I mean, dowel rod's tight enough to hold it, so it's not going to fall. So. But it's moving a good decent amount of air. Probably the only SMC Park Avenue that I got, or that I have, that's working properly, because I have a polished brass one that doesn't work right, and I have a DC-42 that has a bad capacitor. This one's good as it is. And I'll go ahead and, well, I'll see if we can try with the light. I don't know if I can turn it on or not. Okay, that's good enough. I didn't think the light would work like that, but I guess good thing it does. So there it is with the light on. And let's go ahead and power off. have it, folks. Hope you enjoy.